guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying out and reviewing the new Colourpop collection in collaboration with Becky G. I love her music so much. If you don't know who she is, she's a Mexican-American, Latino, pop, urban music singer. I really love her music so much. So I got the eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette, it's called Salvaje, which if you don't speak any Spanish, this means savage in English. So it's so beautiful. I am obsessed with the packaging. I mean, can you tell that my eyes were kind of inspired by this packaging? But yes, I got the palette, and I also have the entire lipstick set. So I'm gonna be showing you swatches of all of the eyeshadows and also all of the lipsticks on my lips. And I'm also gonna be showing you this eye makeup tutorial. I mean, can you just appreciate how stunning this teal turquoise color is? I am obsessed. What can I tell you? But if you're interested in all of that, then please continue watching. Alright, so I know that I am a little bit late to this, but I hope you're still interested in watching this. As of right now, everything is still available in the Colourpop website. So the Salvaje eyeshadow palette retails for $18. And I mean, can we just look at the eyeshadows? It is so freaking stunning. So I think that is honestly a steal. And the lip set, if you buy it in a set, it retails for $29. Individually, they are sold at $6.50. So I still think that they are super affordable. You know, Colourpop, they tend to be very affordable, and most of the products that I have tried, I have liked. So I'm going to be showing you swatches of all of the eyeshadows and also all of the lipsticks on my lips. So here they go.
You're not fooling me, not fooling anyone. Got your head in a cloud, so delusional. In the notion of all this emotional. Best be sure, I'm begging you, looking for something
Alright, so now that I have you up and close here, I'm going to start by priming my eyelids using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. It works good for under eye as well, but I prefer using it for my primer on my eyelids. All of the shadows in this palette are so beautiful, but the one that really stands out to me is this one called Sirena. It's that light teal turquoise color one. I did see that Becky G posted this picture using this eyeshadow, and I think it looks gorgeous. So I really want to recreate something like that. So I'm going to start by using Caramello, which is this brown transition color. Okay, so I'm going to start by placing this, as always, just in my crease. This is a very muted neutral brown transition color, so it's not going to be really warm. It's more on the cool tone side. For this being a matte color, I think it's really blending out really nicely. As you can see, I did get a lot of pigment. I have tried Colourpop eyeshadows in the past, and I mean, I haven't had any issues with any of them. I know that recently they have been coming up with a ton of different collections and collabs, so I'm not sure if they actually use the same formula for all their eyeshadows. I don't know. I want to think they do, because it will be very time consuming if they actually, and more cost for them obviously, if they use a different formula depending on the collabs that they're launching. But I don't know. So far this one is really nice. I'm switching to a smaller blending brush, and this is just a Morphe M433 eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna go into Cafecito, which is this darker brown color shade. I'm gonna try to keep this one lower in the crease. Ooh, this shadow is so pretty. It really complements that Caramello one that we used before. This is such a beautiful brown shade. Shit. Guys, you did not see what just happened. I dropped the palette, but thank God nothing broke. Only 2 of the eyeshadows popped out, but as you can see, they're magnets, so they just went back in. Alright, so I normally do like to use a shimmery shadow for the lid color, but today, just as I show you the picture that I'm using for inspiration, I do want to use the shadow called Sirena, which is the lighter turquoise teal color. So I'm gonna use that one in the lid, and that one it's a matte shade, but I do see that it has a couple shimmers in it, so I don't know how it's gonna show up, but just look at that. I'm using a synthetic brush, and look how much product it's in my brush. That shadow is seriously so pigmented, so wish me luck. Let's see how this looks on the eye. Okay, I'm impressed. I thought about putting concealer, you know, to cut my crease, but I didn't want to do that. And yeah, look at the shadow. It's so freaking pigmented though. Okay, okay. I see you, Colourpop. I see you, Becky G. Yeah, didn't even need any concealer. It's so pigmented. I'm so happy right now. This shade, it's honestly my favorite shade from the palette, I think. So pretty and so pigmented. Oh, I love it so much. So I want to create a eyeliner, and for that I'll be using my Sigma gel liner. This is just in a black shade. I think it's called Wicked. Alright, so hours later, I finished my liner, and let me go ahead and put on some falsies and complete the rest of my face makeup so that we can finish the lower lash line here on camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so let's finish this makeup look. So I'm going to start by using Cafecito once again, the darker brown shade that I use on my crease. And I'll apply this all along my lash line. Now I'm gonna use Sirena, the teal gorgeous color, of course, with the same brush, and I'm gonna apply it just on top of the first one. I really want this teal color to be all around. Now with a small blending brush, I'm gonna blend all of that out. I'm gonna use a black liner on my waterline. Last step to finish the eyes, I'm gonna use the shadow called Estrella, that one that it looks like a champagne color, and I'm gonna apply that one on my tear duct to highlight the inner corner. I think it looks so pretty. This shadow is really pretty. Alright, so with that, the eyes are completed. What do you think? I am seriously obsessed with this eye makeup look. I think it's so freaking stunning. Out of the 5 lipsticks, I think I'm gonna use Secreto, which is this one. I think this one is the one that goes or will pair this makeup look the best. It's so beautiful. I really love Colourpop Ultra Matte Lipstick Formula. As you saw, I literally just finished applying it and it's already dry. I think you already know what I'm gonna say about this palette. I think it's absolutely worth it. I mean, the price, it's so affordable compared to other makeup brands, and the pigmentation on the eyeshadows is there. The formula blended out so easily. Obviously, I didn't use all of the shadows in my eyes, but I mean, the mattes are normally the ones that are harder to work with and to blend in most cases. And as you saw, everything on my eyes, with the exception of the inner corner highlight, it's a matte shadow. So what does that tell you? That the formulas on these shadows are seriously amazing. I think it is completely worth it. I love it so much. I mean, the packaging is so cute. It's honestly everything. I love that it has all of these colors. It has texture. It's really nice. I love that the palette does come with a mirror and the eyeshadows are so pretty. I love that you get natural shades and you also get a few of them that are more colorful, so that, you know, you have both sides of the spectrum. So I think it's totally worth it. Now the lipsticks, I already know that I really like Colourpop's formula and they are super affordable. The one that I have on right now, it's seriously so stunning, but even all of the other shades, as you saw, they look so beautiful on the lips. I think the formula, it's really nice, and come on, the price tag is amazing. Colourpop is always so affordable. So if you still can get your hands on this collection, I would totally go for it. I mean, the colors are so nice, plus Becky G is amazing. She's so cool and she's so talented, so I really wanted to support her on this collection. But that's everything from me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, that you enjoy the swatches and the makeup tutorial. I always like to make videos that are informative and that you find them helpful. But with that, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.